Hi, my name is Florin. I am technical advisor at PIATRAONLINE, and now I want to show you how is to treat some surfaces in marble, granite, or other natural stone. We have here a tile, 60 per 30 centimeter in marble. You can have it on your floor, you can have it on your wall as cladding. What can you do to keep the look of such a surface? So we have here a cleaner, which is strictly necessary to clean the surface before and to prepare before sealing. And here we have a sealer. It is necessary to protect the surface against water, against oil, against stains. We have cleaned before the surface with this detergent, and now it's necessary only to seal it. What is this sealer? The sealers could be two types. One type is impregnator. This type is penetrating the surface and it's cover the pores of the stone. The other is a surface sealer. They are not penetrating the surface, they are only cover the surface, and because of this the protections are different. When you use such a sealer, this is an impregnator, you can wait for protection at water, oil, and some stains. The other kind, which are surface sealer, are also protecting dust, water, and oil, but not to the stains. So we use this. This is named MPG Sealer. It's product in England by the company LTP. We have here two parts. The left part will remain untreated and will treat only the right tile. We apply on the surface. And use a cloth the coat have to be very thick, only one. So you can see the difference between this part and this part. The color of this part is more active than the other. So, this kind of impregnators offers protection of water, dust, and oil. Some of these impregnators are hydrophobe, some are hydro and oleophobe. This is also hydro and oleophobe, and we prove it after half an hour or an hour when the surface will be dry, completely dry. Well, now the surface is dry. Let's have a test of efficiency. It's a water test. We put here a drop, a big one, and also here. We have here the two surfaces. This is treated, this is not treated, and the difference of the water test, it's clear. This is a compact drop, this is not. That means this surface is white, water repellent. This is not. The second test is with coffee. We put here and there. Also, the difference is clear. We have here a compact coffee drop. This is not compact. Let's see after half an hour what happened with both surfaces. Let's see what happened. This is untreated surface. We can get this stain. And this is a treated surface. And it remains also a very small stain. To remove this is necessary to use a special detergent. But look about the difference. That means to have a treated surface.